Do you find yourself living up here, all in your brain, forgetting that you have a body? Do you find yourself living over here in your heart, forgetting that you have a mind that can shift and change decisions and have new ideas? Yeah, I used to have that too. The offer that I have for you is a Kriya, a Kundalini yoga practice called Balancing Head and Heart. It is fast, it's straightforward, and it does the job of helping to balance head and heart so that you can think more clearly, feel more neutral, and then make decisions from this very balanced place. And that's where clarity comes from, a balance between the head and the heart. Here's the video. Check the links in my bio and enjoy. That's on YouTube and it's free and accessible for all. Lots of love. My name is Salimah, yoga therapist.